Are you ready to step into the future of biofeedback technologies? Explore our new developments with us and enhance your practice as well. Hi everyone, I'm Andras from Mandelay, and I would like to invite you to a free webinar where we will showcase our latest developments. The webinar will take place on February 20th, 2025 at 6 p.m. European time, and we will be discussing the following topics. Quantum spot. What makes this technology innovative, and how can we utilize the information from magnetic vibrations to reach deeper levels within our bodies? Another one, the Gucci Mobile. How can we protect our bodies from various electromagnetic vibrations, and how can we turn this into our body's electrical vibrations? See you at the webinar. This webinar is for you. If you want to develop your practice and are already using our device, don't forget to be there because you can learn from the best experts. And you can get answers to your questions right away so you won't leave the webinar with any unanswered questions. We'll meet on February 20th, 2025 at 6 p.m. European time. All you have to do is click the link below the video and register for the free webinar. Hi everyone, see you.